Hi, I'm Garrett. I'm the sales manager here at Evergreen State, and I'm actively involved in customer accounts, commercial equipment purchases, the billing process, working with customers throughout the life cycle of their equipment. When you call Evergreen State, you're going to reach out. The call will go to me. We'll have a discussion. I have some sales people that I work with as well, and we manage through the entire process. First thing we do is we get an understanding of what you need, what your requirements are, what situation you're in, and what you're looking forward to accomplish. Then we'll schedule a site visit. We'll go on site, we'll walk around, we'll have a discussion, and get a full understanding of everything that's needed, heating and cooling wise, what you're trying to accomplish. Is it electrical efficiencies or certain specific areas, a server room, maybe a warehouse that has the temperature is stratified, in some areas colder, some areas warmer. So that will be the process. At that point, we come back, we put together a proposal, we have a discussion, and we send it out and continue talking to reach a conclusion.